Alright guys and gals, so welcome back to the channel where today we're going to show you how to change out your airflow meter boot. So here is our nice brand new rubber boot. You're going to want to check your vehicle to see exactly which boot you need because some of them have more than one port. And down there is our original boot. So for this vehicle, the boot is going to be sitting just about like that, right where the old one is right there. Now, reasons why you might want to change your boot, largely because over time the rubber will degrade. And you can see here this is nice and fresh, it moves, and there are no cracks. If your boot is old and cracked, you're going to want to replace it because you can get vacuum leaks. So you're going to want a screwdriver to be able to undo the bands on here. We'll go ahead and get started. So go ahead. So now you can see we've got our old boot off. There is your part number. And you can see here this was quite in need of being replaced. Oh yeah, massive hole there. That might explain a few things. And you can probably see, even where it hasn't fully cracked through, it is quite dry, rotted, and cracky. So now, go ahead and install our nice fresh new one. Alright guys and gals, so that is how you replace your old airflow meter boot. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and feel free to share and comment below.